What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to see or how to view your Apple ID password. Apple ID password is also known or commonly known as the iCloud password, which is the password for your account in here, which is logged in into your iPhone device. You might be in a situation where you have accidentally forgotten your Apple ID or iCloud password and you're trying to actually access it, but you're unable to do it. And in most cases, your iCloud is already logged into your iPhone device. Let's say you want to log in into a different Apple device. It's requesting you to type in the Apple ID password in the email, but you simply do not remember it. Do not worry, in this video I'm going to show you 3 different ways on how to actually view and see your Apple ID password so you can actually proceed with your process or with whatever you want to do in here on your Apple device. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, but I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials, especially stuff related to Apple devices. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into today's video here, the very first thing I would recommend you guys to do is to hop into settings, right? Of course, I believe that you have access to your phone. That's the least you can do. So if you are here on the iPhone device, which is already logged into that specific Apple ID or iCloud account, the very first thing you want to do is search for passwords. Okay, so if you do have a pretty old operating system, you want to search for passwords. There's a specific section or option in here which says passwords. Now, if you're unable to find passwords, that's probably because you do have a much recent operating system like mine. And if you do have a much recent operating system, you're going to simply close settings and you're going to search for passwords here at the top. Okay, by simply sliding down, you'll be able to bring up the search bar in here. So over here, simply type password. Okay, here we go. We do have passwords in here. This is the application and this is how it looks like. So you want to tap once on passwords and then this app should launch up real quick in here. It's going to ask you for your Face ID, or if you simply don't have how to actually unlock it with your Face ID, you can type in your passcode, which is the normal passcode that you use to lock your Apple device. You want to type it once and then it's going to show you all saved passwords that you do have stored here on your Apple device. So after typing in your password or your passcode, you'll be brought to this screen in here where you do have different categories of how you actually store your passwords. You do have, for example, passwords related to Wi-Fi connections in here, okay? All these Wi-Fi passwords are here. They all have a specific password which is saved to them. And even if I tap once on them, it's gonna reveal it real quick. So I'm gonna tap on back, and here at the top left corner, we do have all. This is a combination of all saved passwords on your iPhone device. So if you simply tap on all real quick, so over here, I'm not going to scroll down, but all you need to do in here is simply search for iCloud or Apple ID account, tap once on it in order to reveal your password. If you're unable to sort it out here from passwords application, or if you simply do not find that specific password, do not worry, we're moving into the next step in here. Let's quickly close passwords and then we need to search for Google. Okay, so what we want to do is access the settings of our Google, because we do have a password manager that allows us to actually view all saved passwords as well. So you want to simply bring down this search and then you want to search for Google. Here we go. We do have the normal Google app in here, which is usually logged in into your account. So simply log in with your Gmail account in case you do not have it logged in already in here. So over here, once you tap here at the top right corner where you do have your image, your picture, you're going to scroll down and tap down here on passwords. As you can see, we do have an option in here which says passwords. Tap once on passwords and it's going to show you all saved passwords. So over here, what you need to do is simply tap on one single website or account to view that specific password. This is how easy you can do it. So you want to make sure you search for anything related to iCloud or Apple ID, tap on it and see if you can actually get access or view that specific password. If this doesn't help, do not worry, we're moving into the last step where you can still regain access to your password or to your account. So let's quickly close Google Password Manager. Let's tap here on settings real quick, and then we'll tap here on the Apple ID account where we do have our name and our picture at the top. Tap once on it. Next up, simply tap here on sign in and security. It takes a few seconds to load depending on your internet speed, but in no time, you'll be brought in here to this other window, which will allow you to view all your emails linked to your account. Next up, you simply need to tap here on change password at the bottom. Simply tap once on change password. It's going to take you a couple seconds. It's going to ask you to position your Face ID. Let me quickly position my Face ID, and next up you'll be brought to this screen which says new password. All you want to do in here is simply type in the new password, retype the new password, tap on continue, and you'll be good to go to set up a brand new password. And do not worry, because you do not even need to remember the old password to do this. You just need to tap on that specific option in settings and then insert in here the new password, and you're good to go. This is how easy you can actually change your password. Now, in case none of these options actually help you out, which the last one of course will help you out, but you also do have an alternative way of changing your password, which is hopping into, for example, your internet browser. Okay, let me quickly hop into Safari in here, and this last method is a method that you can actually do from a different device. You do not need to be on that specific device or iPhone device which is logged into your Apple ID account. You can actually perform this. You can reset it from a different device as well. All you need to do is simply head into this website, which is .apple.com, and tap on OK. The website is now loading, and here you can actually reset your forgotten password. It's very easy. All you need to do is simply tap on reset password. It's going to send you an email to your account which is already logged in here, or a specific verification process to the other device, and then you just need to verify a few steps like phone number and stuff like that, and you'll be gaining access here to your Apple ID account. Tap on reset password, for example. There we go, reset my password. For example, it shows you your email in here, and then if you really wish to reset this one, simply tap on reset my password. But in case it's a different account, as I've said, if you don't have access to that specific device logged in, simply tap on help someone else, which will allow you to reset a different iCloud account. So in here, it's going to ask you, for example, to type in that specific email which is related to that specific new iCloud account. In my case, for example, let me type in fixed by Shaq, which is the name of the YouTube channel, at gmail.com. Next up, I'm going to tap here on continue. It's going to take you a couple seconds to load. It's going to ask me to verify my trusted phone number, which is linked to my Apple ID account. There we go. I've already inserted the number. I'm going to tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, it's going to load, and you'll be brought here to this new screen, which actually allows you to send a verification code to your phone number, which is linked. So all we need to do is tap on send code to this specific number in here. Let me tap on send code. It's loading. There we go. The verification code has been received, and it has already automatically verified on its own. There we go. Next up, I just need to tap here on send code to verify my specific email address as well. So once I'm done verifying both numbers, I'm good to go. There we go. The email is already here. Let me tap on that email to verify it. There we go. The code is 083254. Let me just quickly copy that specific number, and then I'm going to simply reopen it. And then after pasting that specific number, we'll be brought to this screen which allows us to set a new password and retype that specific password. So once I'm done doing that, I'm good to go, and I'm ready to rock with my new Apple ID or iCloud password. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know in the comment section down below if you do have any doubt or question. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.